Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss the protons and neutrons. Yesterday we discussed about the electrons, about their existence, their discovery, magnitude of their charge and their mass. Today we will discuss about these protons and neutrons. Dear students, the formation of cathode rays as shown by the J.J. Thomson, that all they show that all the atoms contain negatively charged particles called electrons. Now, and we know that atom is electrically neutral, so it must contain some positively charged particles to balance these negative charges, that is electrons. It has actually been found by experiments that all the atoms contain positively charged particles called these electrons. The existence of protons in the atoms was shown by a scientist whose name is E. Goldstein. E. Goldstein. This is the name of the scientist who showed the existence of protons in atoms. How he showed this? When he passed the electricity at high voltage through a gas at very low pressure taken in a discharge tube, streams of heavy particles were given out by the anode. As yesterday we discussed that there are two in a discharge tube. There are two these electrodes. The negative side, it is known as cathode, and the positive side, this electrode is known as anode. When he passed the high voltage electric current through this discharge tube, he found that streams of heavy particles were given out by the anode from positive electrode. These streams of particles are called anode rays. These are called anode rays. Anode rays consist of the positively charged particles. The mass and charge of the anode ray particles depend on their nature of gas taken in the discharge tube. So different gases give different types of anode rays which contain positive charged particles having different masses and different charges. If we take the example of hydrogen gas is the highest lightest gas, and hydrogen atom is the lightest atom. So the positive particles obtained from hydrogen gas are the lightest and have the smallest charge. The anode rays coming from the anode rays obtained from the hydrogen gas are made up of the same type of positive charges. These particles are called protons. These heavy charged particles which are coming from anode to the cathode, these were then known as protons. Like when the particle is coming from cathode, that is from negative electrode, were going from cathode to anode, those particles were known as electrons. But these rays, or these particles, heavy particles, are coming from anode, so they were known as protons. Thus, anode rays obtained from hydrogen gas consist of protons. A proton is formed by the removal of an electron from an hydrogen atom. The Goldstein explained the formation of protons as follows: that a hydrogen gas consists of hydrogen atoms. When high electrical voltage is applied to hydrogen gas, the electrical energy removes the electrons from the hydrogen atoms. After the removal of negatively charged electrons from a hydrogen atom, a positively charged particle called proton is proton is formed. These fast moving protons from anode form the anode rays. Hydrogen gas atoms are the lightest of the all the atoms, so the hydrogen atoms form the lightest positively charged particles in human exponential protons. The heavier atoms of other gases form the heavier positively charged particles, which are made up of number of protons uh, taken together. Now, is proton define. The proton is positively charged particle found in atoms of all elements. The proton is positively charged particle found in the atoms of all elements. Atoms of all elements. Because पाई कि एटम इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल लिहाजा वो कि एटमस मज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स तेल यानी तुम नेगेटिव चार्ज तेल डेफिनेटली तक पॉजिटिवली चार्ज तुम पॉजिटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल्स कम तुम प्रोटॉन्स ई गोल्ड स्टेन हई दी तो इन पॉजिटिव चार्ज अगर वो कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चार्ज तो प्रोटॉनिक चार्ज इमोन मैग्नीट्यूड यह बिल्कुल इक्वल यह कह फर्क अलबत्ता मासस मज हे फर्क इलेक्ट्रॉन मास यह नेग्लिजिबल सह वो पे फिलहाल लिख डेफिनेशन कि प्रोटॉन द प्रोटॉन इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल फाउंड इन द एटम्स ऑफ ऑल एलिमेंट्स these protons are located इसमें वो कि एटम अगर सपोज एटम अत मज पार्ट गो एक्स्ट्रा न्यूक्लियर स्पेस ब्या गो न्यूक्लियस protons and neutrons they are located in the inner part that is nucleus. They and these number of protons vary from element to element. परम एटॉमिक नंबर ये वन मे एग्जाम्पल रात कि मिसाल हाइड्रोजन पे कर स्टार्ट हाइड्रोजन लाइटेस्ट एटम तिज तथ मज दैट कैरीज ओनली वन प्रोटॉन एंड वन इलेक्ट्रॉन तवे इंडियन ई गोल्ड स्टेन ये गैस निमुत हाइड्रोजन गैस डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब्स मज तो लिहाजा द प्रोटॉन्स आर लोकेटेड इन द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एन एटम. Only hydrogen atom contains the proton in the nucleus. Atoms of all other elements contain their more than proton. यदि hydrogen lightest atmosphere electron protons a proton is usually represented by the letter proton is represented letter P small p P for proton and plus sign for positive charges. तो ये लेखा कुछ लेखा पी प्लस पॉजिटिव चार्ज तक इंडिकेट पॉजिटिव चार्ज वन क्या प्रोटॉन चार्ज वो सवाल कि अत कस चार्ज वन बह ये मे वो ओत्र पूर कि इलेक्ट्रॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन मैग्नीट्यूड -1.6 × 10⁻⁻19 कूलम प्रोटॉन प्रोटॉनस युत +1.6 × 10⁻⁻19 कूलम यह कैसे गई ये चार्ज प्रोटॉनस कड़ित अम पे वो मास अगर मास वो प्रोटॉन मास बराबर मास ऑफ प्रोटॉन 1.6 × 10⁻⁻24 ग्राम ये कि जन इलेक्ट्रॉन वो इलेक्ट्रॉन मास नेग्लिजिबल तथ कम मास तमुक मास बराबर -1.9 × 10⁻1 यानी अगर हाइड्रोजन किस मास करो कंपेयर एक इलेक्ट्रॉन मास सह 1 / 1840 units small unit यूएस ये यानी सह नेग्लिजिबल गो बराबर अलबत्ता अगर कुन एटमुक मास वो तम सात सिर्फ नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स प्लस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स कंसिडर बल्कि न कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मास कर तम सात कंसिडर तो ये कैसे गो अमिच प्रोटॉन मास दैट इज 1. This is 1.6 1.6 into 10 raised power minus 24 grams. Minus 24 grams. तो वो चार्ज अगर रिलेटिव चार्ज इलेक्ट्रॉनस निवा -1 रिलेटिव चार्ज प्रोटॉनस निवा +1 मगर अगर एक्चुअल मैग्नीट्यूड सह 1.6 into 10 raised -19 कूलम and this is 1.6 into 10 raised -19 कूलम ये माइनस तक गो प्लस ये वजह कि एटम इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल ये इलेक्ट्रॉन अगर ये अकिस मज इलेक्ट्रॉन ती प्रोटॉनस ये वजह तम सम इक्वल पान लिहाजा ओवरऑल चार्ज अकिस एटमस पे दैट इज एन एटम इज इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल तो इंशाल्लाह सुबह आज कोर वीडियो बोल ग तो आज पो ये सुबह पो प्रोटॉनस पो सुबह न्यूट्रॉनस पो सुबह आज थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग।